Damas y Caballeros, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Joe J. Jr. and welcome to another super cool, not pomade, but I guess gel review. So, if you guys have seen my previous videos, you guys will know I'm not a huge fan of. You guys will know that I'm not a huge fan of gels, but somebody really wanted me to try this one. It's called Grit. Firm style, high hold and high shine. And with the way my hair's been going, I just really need something with high shine, or not high shine, high hold. And I just decided, why not give it a shot? So I don't know if they have this in like a little container so far. I've only ever seen this one, but it smells like any other gel. I guess kind of smells not bad. See that? I hope this isn't a lot. I haven't used hair gel in a long time. We'll just stick with that. Actually, it smells pretty good. Very smooth to apply, but a lot of gels are like that, mostly because they're made out of just very liquid materials, I guess. I don't know how to describe it because I'm not so huge on using hair gels. I'm more of a pomade person, and I guess people will argue that pomades and hair gels they're pretty much the same thing, but I don't know. I feel like there's a difference. It just depends the pomade and the gel you get. Well, actually, I feel like it just depends the pomade, because for me, most hair gels are kind of the same thing. So, I mean, they went in there. It feels very sticky. I don't like how my hand's sticking to the towel really bad. I guess that's where it gets its hold from. Other than that, though, like, the smell's pretty good. Not so smooth for the combing. There's some resistance. The thing with hair gels is they kind of just end up keeping your hair in place and like solid, like it will not move. Question is, will it be cardboard? Because there's just certain hair gels that just end up drying your hair so bad to the point where it's just like your hair is like cardboard. It's plastic. It's not gonna move. But I guess Grit, we're gonna find out. So I guess I'll go through with the rest of my day. Excuse me. I'm gonna go through with the rest of my day, and I'll be right back to show you what the end result is. So, adios. Okay, guys. So it has been 3 or so hours. I was actually gonna start recording this less than that because it didn't take long for the hair gel to dry up. So you guys can see it's got a lot of shine to it, which is exactly what it says. The hold is strong, so it does deliver on what it says. And normally I would say, yeah, this is great, but I don't know, this product just isn't for me. I say this because yes, it has a lot of hold and it has a lot of shine, but it adds weight. And I say this because if you guys haven't seen my video where I reviewed Harry's texturizing putty, which you guys can check that one out right here, I kind of talked about how it was light, and because these are all my opinions, so I'm really sorry if I judge this pomade and maybe you like it and you feel like it isn't justified, but keep in mind that this is completely my opinion. And when I do pomade reviews, I kind of like it when the pomade doesn't have as much weight to it. But as for Grit, it has a lot of weight to it. I would forgive it if it had just a little bit of weight to it, but this is kind of like I can feel the weight on my head. But I guess that just comes with the hold. But does this mean I have to start doing good? Or does this mean I have to start doing good, bad, or okay? For hair gels, I mean, I don't really like hair gels, which is the thing, but trying not to be biased here, I would say if you don't mind the weight and if you like the hold and you don't, because like it's not like super crispy like most other hair gels, it's just like light, it's got weight to it, and the hold works. If you just want a product that gets the job done and you don't mind the weight, then I'd say this is definitely a product you should try out. But for me, who I kind of like to have my products be more weightless or kind of light, I would say this is, I guess it would be okay, because I've tried a lot of hair gels in the past and they're the reason I don't do hair gels, but this one is not as bad as all of them, so I'd say this is definitely an okay product. So what do you guys think? Try it out for yourselves. As always, you guys know I encourage you guys to try these out for yourself. Let me know if you think I justified it. Let me know if you think I didn't. But regardless, I always recommend that you guys give these, or at least Grit, a shot for yourselves. Anyways, I hope you guys have an amazing day, because you guys are all amazing people, and you guys already know the drill. If you guys want to make my day even more amazing, check out these videos right here and subscribe down here.